Welcome, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to Demystifying Agriculture. Welcome again, I say, to an immersive journey through the art of cultivating 3 beloved vegetables in your very own backyard: carrots, lettuce, and green peppers. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of each plant's growth cycle, from the humble seed to the bountiful harvests. Before we begin, let's gather our arsenal of gardening essentials. For carrots, arm yourself with carrot seeds, a sturdy garden trowel, nutrient-rich compost, and a trusty watering can. For lettuce, procure lettuce seeds, premium quality potting soil, and containers with proper drainage. And for green peppers, equip yourself with green pepper seeds, well-draining soil, and supportive structure such as stakers or cages. Now, let us turn our attention to soil preparation, the cornerstone of successful gardening endeavors. Carrots thrive in loose, well-aerated soil, enriched with organic matter for optimal growth. Lettuce, on the other hand, favors nutrient-rich potting soil in containers situated in sun-drenched locales. And green peppers, they crave warmth and sunshine, nestled in soil that drain effortlessly. With our soil primed and ready, it is time to sow the seed of our future harvest. Sprinkle carrot seeds with precision, ensuring even distribution over the soil surface, gently patting them down for secure anchorage. For lettuce, delicately scatter seeds in your chosen containers, covering them with a light layer of soil. And for green peppers, create small pockets in the soil, tenderly transplanting seedlings with utmost care. A crucial step in nurturing our nascent plants is providing them with the gift of hydration. Water, the elixir of life, must be administered judiciously, ensuring each seed and seedling receives its fair share. Consistent moisture levels are paramount for successful germination and robust growth. As our verdant companion journey through the stages of growth, we must play the role of attentive caretakers, offering support and guidance along the way. Thin out lettuce seedlings to prevent overcrowding, granting each plant ample room to flourish. Stake or cage green pepper plants, safeguarding them against the weight of their burgeoning bounty. And now, the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating, the harvest. With patience and anticipation, we pluck the fruit of our labor from the earth, marveling at their vibrant hues and crisp textures. Carrots with their earthy sweetness, lettuce leaves bustling with freshness, and green pepper exuding a tantalizing tang, each a testament to the reward of homegrown goodness. In closing, Dear viewers, let us revel in the satisfaction of a job well done. Our journey through the realms of carrots, lettuce, and green pepper has not only yielded an abundant harvest, but also instilled in us a profound appreciation for the wonders of nature. Until we meet again in the verdant embrace of our gardens, may your thumbs remain forever green. Thank you for joining us on this enriching expedition through the realms of home gardening on demystifying agriculture. Remember to subscribe for more expert insights and gardening wisdom. Happy cultivating. Demystifying agriculture. Signing off.